Meaning of fornication.
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 Fornication. Fornication refers to sexual intercourse between two people who are not married to each other. The result of fornication can vary depending on the individuals involved and their circumstances, but it can include physical pleasure, emotional connection, and potential risks such as unwanted pregnancy or sexually transmitted infections. In some cultural and religious contexts, fornication may be considered sinful or immoral. However, in many societies, consensual sexual activity between adults is a personal choice and a normal part of human experience.